Echo team, yeah. Yes, click on dashboard. There's a dashboard in front of it. Yes, click on it. Okay. Now check this system requirement. The system requirement, you see there's a one that show red. You see it? What they put in both PHP post maximum size, abi? Copy that line, copy that kind of code, copy it. That PHP post size, click on here. This particular word, T, this one, T, the one in front of that 40 to show red here. That particular one that show red. No. The one, that PHP, that PHP, the PHP, that area, copy it. Just try to select it and copy. Right click, copy. Now open another tab at top. Yes. Oya, post it on the Google, paste it there, and put WordPress. You see the second line, WordPress, select that one. PHP post size WordPress, yes. Close on it. Scroll down. Scroll. Don't click on that, yo. Scroll. Continue scrolling. Okay, click on this, how to increase maximum file size. Now let me explain before we do any other thing again. Now this particular setting is for PHP. Now WordPress is a solution that comes from PHP. PHP is one of the powerful technology in the world that people use to build a lot of solution, a lot of software. There's a lot of bank. Most of e-commerce website is powered by PHP. Are you getting me? Yeah. Now, all this thing is a setting. In your own PHP, the version of PHP you are using on your system, the maximum file size is setting to the low of the software, which is theme we are using. Now, and if that thing happen, when you are uploading content, you may likely be getting error. This particular system setting, go back to that your website. Go back to your website. Yes. All this setting must be in green. All this setting must be in green. And if you pay attention to other people, all of them they are green, because some of them may be new system, maybe just install some of these things that make the PHP be in the standard of Echo theme. The Echo theme require the maximum, that the size of 40 that is setting already is not enough, so that you may likely be get, if you continue now, will be likely go, but in the likely future or nearest future you may likely get error. Then one of the things that happen is that all this setting, if they show red, are you getting me? If they show red, assuming all these ones that show green, they are all in red. What I just did now, you just copy them, paste them to Google, select WordPress, it will be solution to you. Oya, go back to that website. Now this particular website called WP Beginner is one of the top websites in the world that provide solution to a lot of issues you can face when you are doing WordPress design or WordPress site or the like. It provides a lot of solutions. If you have time, you can even come into the website to read more about WordPress. A lot of things there for you as a WordPress designer or developer as well. Are you getting me? Now scroll down. It will going to provide different solutions to us, but I can just pick any one of the solutions to go ahead with. Go. Even have the video. If you want to watch the video, even have it. And telling you, if you're uploading image, you may likely get issue. Now, you say first method, contact your WordPress hosting provider. We don't need to do this. Go up. This is a long journey job. The second method, create e say create or edit existing php.ini file. This particular file is in your installations. Are you getting me? Oya go up, go up, go up, go. Pay at ten tion very well. I'm recording the screen anyway. I will also send it to you later. Scroll up so that other people can even benefit from it. Scroll, 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 scroll. Yes, yes. Wait. Now, this is the file e ask us to add to it. Now, scroll up, up back up a little bit. No, you are going up. Oh. Go down. Let me say go down, go down, go down. Now, even tell us where to edit. If you see your screen now, can you open your XAMPP? Click on that XAMPP icon at the down, one at the third bar. Click on it. Now, click on Explorer. No, you are click another thing. Oh. Explorer here. Yes. My time is running. Now, locate HT dot is here. I'm seeing it from here. After the image or something like that. Yes, click on that. Um, um, you can see what is the name of your website sef? Is it that one? Yeah, click on it. Click on that WordPress. Then the file that tell us to edit is php.ini. If you check, you need to check here. Do you see any php.ini here? Scroll down. Go. There's a different way. Oh, it's not there. Go back to that website. Just click on the website. Leave that folder. Just click on the website. Don't close it. Yes. Scroll down. Oh, no. That WP, that's where we are reading content. Please, let's move a little bit faster. We are go up. Let's use another. No, down. Let's use another one that faster. We see another one that faster now. All these are our solutions. Okay. Method number 4 is .ht access. Okay. Scroll up a little bit. Go. A little bit. Now, wait. Copy this code. This is like PHP file you upload. Copy all of them. No. You are copying the 1, 2, 3. I don't want you to copy that 1, 2, 3. I want you to copy just only PHP something. Yes. Copy everything. Copy it. Yeah. Go back to. Can you click on that folder back? That XAMPP something. Explorer. That folder is closed. Click on Explorer back. Go to editor. Go back to your website. Now WordPress. You see AD access. That is the first file. After WP, right click on it. Right click. Right, I don't say open. Right click on it. Now, I want to see. Do you have? Click on open with. At the top, open with. Now, uncheck this file. Uncheck this always. Uncheck it. Uncheck that. Click on more app. Now look at notepad. Click on notepad. Notepad is up here. Oya okay. Now paste that code at this particular before end of WordPress. Yes, before end of WordPress. Where do you paste it? I don't see it o. End of WordPress, there's end of WordPress here. Undo, Control Z. Oya, you see end of WordPress, the last line and the down. End. Oya, paste it there. Okay. Oya, go to the file. Click on file. File up in the notepad. Save. Yes, close it. Close. Yeah. Close this one as well. Oya, just click on the website. Click on it. Go to your website. Refresh it. Can you see it? There. I believe you learned how to achieve that. Now, please, I want to go to Mux now and